Welcome to the vibrant world of the beautiful cherry barb.
Scientifically known as Puntius titea, the fish originates directly from Sri Lanka.
The beautiful species belongs to the highly popular Cyprinidae family.
A spectacular bright red coloration covers the entire body beautifully. Notice the subtle black and faint yellow stripe running along the side.
The cherry barb reaches a maximum size of just 5 centimeters.
During the breeding season, the male glows with an intense fiery red hue.
The female fish generally displays slightly lighter and more subdued colors.
The striking red color makes the fish look exactly like a swimming ruby.
The shy fish prefers swimming together in a small and peaceful school.
Provide a minimum tank volume of 30 gallons or 115 liters.
The active fish requires plenty of wide-open horizontal swimming space.
Complex driftwood arrangements provide excellent natural hiding spots for the shy fish.
Smooth rock caves help the gentle fish feel entirely secure and safe.
Maintain the water temperature warmly between 23 and 26 degrees.
Highly stable tropical water conditions keep the cherry barb entirely healthy.
The ideal pH level ranges strictly from 6.0 to 7.0.
The fish thrives perfectly in soft and slightly acidic freshwater environments.
Keep the water hardness level carefully balanced between 4 and 10 kH.
The highly adaptable species demonstrates a very easy care level for beginners.
The omnivorous fish eagerly accepts high-quality commercial color-enhancing flakes.
Small sinking meat pellets provide an excellent and completely balanced daily diet.
Live brine shrimp trigger the natural hunting instincts of the active fish. Frozen bloodworms provide massive protein boosts for maintaining the vibrant colors.
The fish occasionally nibbles gently on soft green algae for balanced nutrition. Specialized vegetable matter supplements are crucial for long-term digestive health.
A perfectly plump and healthy belly indicates highly successful daily feeding.
The schooling group competes playfully and peacefully for floating food items.
Always avoid housing the shy species with aggressive or highly territorial fish.
Peaceful bottom-dwelling Corydoras make completely fantastic and safe tank companions.
The gentle fish completely ignores small community tetras sharing the middle column.
During the breeding season, the male and female will naturally form pairs.
The male performs an incredibly elegant courtship dance to impress the female.
The female seeks a dense patch of fine-leaved plants for safe spawning.
The female fish deposits tiny clear eggs, carefully among the aquatic plant leaves. The male fish follows closely to fertilize the eggs immediately.
Separating the adult fish ensures the absolute highest survival rate for the babies.
The tiny cherry barb fry begin swimming freely after exactly 5 days.
Crushed baby brine shrimp provide the perfect starting food for the free-swimming fry.
The juvenile fish slowly starts developing the signature beautiful red coloration.
A completely black background poster makes the red colors visually explode.
The striking red colors bring an undeniable warmth to the lush green layout.
The active swimmer thoroughly enjoys swimming directly into a gentle water flow.
During the quiet night cycle, the fish rests calmly near the dark gravel.
The morning lights instantly awaken the entirely energetic swimming behavior.
A perfectly unblemished and totally clear tail fin propels the small body.
A massive weekly water change keeps the aquatic environment perfectly stable.
A slight color fade indicates that the pristine water quality is dropping. A careful fish completely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive aquatic plants.
The highly cautious fish reacts very quickly to sudden shadows passing overhead.
Confident School always returns quickly to the open central swimming area.
The calm fish interacts peacefully with daily tank maintenance cleaning tools. Completely transparent pectoral fins move rapidly to maintain perfect swimming balance.
Tips. Flawless breathing relies heavily on a highly oxygenated and pristine environment.
The fish explores the deep corners for entirely undisturbed daytime resting spots.
Color-enhancing LED lighting makes the red and black markings visually explode.
The thorough fish occasionally checks crevices in the rock hardscape for hidden food.
The fish avoids extremely bright surface light by staying in the lower middle zone.
The schooling group establishes a totally peaceful and highly stable social hierarchy.
Natural dried Indian almond leaves release beneficial health-boosting tannins.
Rapid gill plate movement processes the highly oxygenated water continuously.
The species brings an undeniable level of sophisticated motion to any layout.
The schooling group creates a highly entertaining and dynamic uniform swimming pattern.
Species provides a highly engaging entry point into keeping colorful schooling fish.
A slightly thicker body profile perfectly indicates excellent and completely balanced nutrition. The fish looks exactly like an elegant aquatic jewel dominating the kingdom. Dense clusters of bright green stem plants add immense visual depth perfectly.
The species is an exceptionally unique and highly rewarding pet for beginner keepers.
Notice the highly distinct red scale pattern covering the entire flank.
Specialized sinking carnivore pellets are caught mid-water with incredible agility.
Subtle golden iridescence is often visible directly above the faint black line.
The omnivorous school eagerly swarms highly nutritious pieces of blanched zucchini.
A totally clear anal fin stabilizes the lower body during rapid swimming.
The fish serves as the absolute perfect dynamic centerpiece for beginner aquarists.
A simulated gentle river current provides the ultimate comfortable environment.
The cherry barb demonstrates exactly why the family is universally loved worldwide.
The fish looks exactly like a premium luxury addition for beautiful setups. Behold the rapid and highly majestic beauty of the incredible cherry barb. A large school creates a truly unforgettable and entirely mesmerizing visual masterpiece.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing beginner fish care guides.
Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you own the beautiful red cherry barb? Tell us below.
The cherry barb is a true 5-star addition to any planted biotope.
Thank you for exploring the highly elegant and bright freshwater fish species.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
Keep your water highly oxygenated and your premium fish incredibly happy.
Nature provides the absolute best inspiration for any home aquarium setup.
The Aquatic line is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.